last thing I'd like to cover today is, are there any specific safety concerns that somebody either new to oxygen or maybe somebody who's been using it for a while just hasn't encountered yet? Are there any safety issues that people should watch out for with oxygen therapy?
Yeah, you got to make sure you don't trip over the tubing. You know, I take my POC with me if I go to. We have a little fitness center here in the community where I live, and so I have to use my oxygen to exercise. Well, that tubing, I have to make darn sure doesn't get caught up in the treadmill, because it could. Um, when you're walking with it, you've got to make sure that you don't get entangled. um I have an electric stove, so I don't have to really have to worry, but I have heard that people who have a gas stove should maybe put their cannula on backwards, so that the tubing is going down the back rather than in front.
Hey, Karen Deidemeyer, thank you very much for spending some time today to share your wisdom and experience with us.
Well, thank you for the opportunity, Mike.